Do you feel the sincerity of the president or this is just pressure? Kasi I ask nga no, the difference between a priority and an urgent. Kasi feeling ko, pwedeng i-dribble eh. Sa kamera pa lang eh, i-dribble yan ng matagal. And we know he only has 2 years left, no? So
Right.
if it's just a priority, you can dribble that until the 21st Congress. Tapos aakit pa yan sa Senado, tapos magbabay pa yan, di ba? So yung sincerity, or is it because lang of the political pressure right now? But he comes from a political dynasty. 9, if I'm not mistaken. I heard yesterday sa news, siyam sila na magkakamag-anak.
Right. Yeah, actually, kung titingnan po natin kasi, Ms. Pat, I think this could be a reaction on the plummeting survey numbers of the president. No, there is really this growing unpopularity right now of the president. The economic situation is on a downward spiraling turn at the moment. So, kumbaga talagang he needs to salvage whatever is left of his political capital to somewhat leave a strong impression sa tao. No? And I think this key political reforms is a very good start for him to do that. But at the end of the day kasi titingnan natin unang-una sa politika kasi very important yung essence, yung timing, no? Why only now, no? Bakit ngayon lamang niya to ginagawa? After the flood control scandal, after this allegations of corruption against him, when in fact, if this was really something na talagang gusto niyang gawin, no, I think he could have included this as a part of his agenda from the very start. No? So yun yung medyo titignan natin dito. And then, of course, itong anti-dynasty bill talaga na to is very, very contentious given the fact that he himself comes from a dynastic clan. No? So,
ang problema po dito ay, di ba sinabi na niya na priority niya yung anti-dynasty bill. Di magandang publicidad eh. Pero kapag ka hindi nangyari o walang nangyaring hindi na ipasa, mukhang negatibo ang magiging epekto. Hindi ho ba, Prof?
Kaya nga.
but at the same time, he could always manifest that it was the Congress who failed. No, kumbaga sa kanyang pananaw, ginawa niya yung lahat na magagawa niya to ensure na talagang magkakaroon ito, magiging parte ito ng isang priority legislative agenda ng gobyerno. But then again, it's going to be incumbent to the House if they were going to approve it or not. No? So either way, maganda pa rin yung optics para sa kanya, no? Being a president who supported the anti-dynasty bill. Unfortunately, it's the lower house that did not support it. So wala tayong magagawa.